Hi. So in this video, I'll discuss about how we can utilize HLOOKUP on multiple row and multiple column data sets. So here we will use HLOOKUP in advanced way. So let's see how we can utilize it. So first you have to go through the definition part. HLOOKUP extract data in horizontal order as per lookup value. In previous video, I extracted data in horizontal order. This is a horizontal order. If I talk about the vertical order, this is a vertical order. But here I have extracted data in horizontal order. So now I will discuss how we can pick the data on multiple columns and multiple rows through the HLOOKUP and match function. So now here I'm going to write HLOOKUP function. So HLOOKUP lookup value will be header. So here you need to freeze row. So why I'm freezing here row? Because my row is moving in right side in different column, but row is 14 fixed. So that's why I'm freezing here 14 number row is fixed, comma. Second parameter of HLOOKUP is table array. So you have to go to datasets 1 and take complete data range. No need to leave anything. So you have to press Control page up to move on datasets. Now you have to press Control Home to move your pointer on A1. So done. Now you have to select Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, and freeze here through the F4 key. Done, comma. Next parameter is row index number. For row index number, I will apply match function. In previous video, I have already told you what is the use of match. So again, I'm telling you, match function is used to pick row number or column number on the basis of lookup value. So my lookup value of match function is, you have to move in that sheet and lookup value you have to take. So my lookup value will be name, and here you need to freeze column. Why I'm freezing here column? Column is E. E is fixed in each name, but row is moving. Row is 15 for Rajesh, 16 for Amar. So you have to freeze here. So I have freezed column, comma. Now you have to take here, sorry, here I need to apply match function, match. Then you have to take lookup value as a Rajesh. So here you have to freeze column. F4, 3 times I press to freeze the column. So function data extraction is a name of the sheets. That's why you are getting here this wording, comma. Now lookup array, where I will get the position of these names. So you have to go to datasets and take complete range of name in B column. So you have to take name from header to last data. Phrased it, comma, 0, 0 is for exact value, comma, 0 is for match. Enter. Now you can see here we are getting Rajesh department. Now drag in right side and down side. I have selected and press Ctrl R, Ctrl D. See here, you are getting data as per header and as per these names. So this is the more dynamic function to extract data in vertical order and horizontal order. If we are applying HLOOKUP match, then we can easily extract data in horizontal order and vertical order. No restriction to extract data in horizontal order only through the HLOOKUP. So match will give you flexibility to extract data in horizontal and vertical order in both ways. Thank you so much for this video.